right on Animation Way.
I'm back. This time I'm going to 2 of the other parks this trip. So my room won't be ready for a while. So I'm just gonna go to my car, get what I need, and then I'll come back later tonight and go to my room. I'll drive my car around at that point. But they gave me a unbirthday pin and also a celebrating life pin. So I am in building 7 of the Little Mermaid room on the 4th floor, and I face the pool. It's 7805 if you happen to get your number and want to know where you are in relation to me. I will say on first look, this room looks a little bit smaller than the Pop Century. This is the smallest of the rooms here at Art of Animation. A lot of the other ones are suites, like the Cars and the Nemo ones. They're all suites. I don't think I have a refrigerator, and I really like to have a refrigerator in the room. Let's do the room tour and see if I can find it. So turning the camera around. Cute decor. You've got your little mermaid shell chairs, and the mirror is absolutely adorable with all the little fish. Of course, your backboard is the shell, and you've got Flounder and Sebastian on the wall, and your photograph of the prince. The beds were comfy. Good news is I have all the pillows to myself since I'm here by myself. And a little table to keep my phones on. They do have brand new charging so that I can actually use my USB instead of using my plug. I brought both just in case. And there is a room door here that's for shared rooms. And you've got your TV, a little dresser. It does have a Keurig, and this time they did give me the cups and the coffees. So that's good. I can make coffee in the morning. Oh, and it's Joffrey's. They did not have that in the other room. So that's a good thing. I'm very excited to have coffee in the morning so that I can just go straight to the park. And yeah, so that's good. I don't think there's any refrigerator. I'm looking for all the drawers, but they're all, oh wait, I did find the refrigerator. It's well hidden because it looks like these are drawers. They're not drawers. It's a cabinet. Yay. Okay, now I'm very happy because I can bring back waters to keep in the room, even though I'm only here for one night. If I get up in the middle of the night and get thirsty, I'd like to have some water, so that's good. They do have all of this cleaned in a bag. I will be re-cleaning it later when I come back to the room. So there's a little curtain for a little privacy. Like if you get up in the morning and you don't want the kids being bothered by the light, or you want someone else wants to take a shower first, they do have that curtain to corner it off. Then once you're here, you've got a mirror with some lighting, a little area for washing your hands. They do have a stand for your luggage. I love the luggage racks. I will be using that. There's a small little safe here to keep a wallet if you don't want to leave that in the room. So that's good to have. Pretty much all the rooms have that. An iron. I have no plans on ironing here. Hangers if you want to hang your stuff up. They do have some extra towels up here. It looks like the extra pillow and blanket is locked. I don't think you can open that. I don't think I'll be needing it because it's hot outside and I have 2 beds to myself, so I can always take one from the other bed if I really needed to, but I really don't think I'm going to need to. So really cute shower curtain. Now the difference between this and the Pop Century is this is an actual tub. Pop Century was clearly just a shower. So they have the tiles all themed. That's really cute. Actually, that's really cute. So yeah, there's your shower. So if you want to take a bath, if they gave me salts, I would be more apt to maybe take one, but they don't. They just give you the conditioner and the shampoo and body wash. So that's cool. And a bunch of towels. Yeah, just your standard room. I will show you the outside here in the dark in a bit when I get ready to leave because I'm going to go to Disney Springs tonight. but I'll show you again in the morning before I leave. But yeah, just for, I think it cost me $123 for the night. That was before all the taxes. That was with my 40% off pass holder discount. But check in the Disney app. You can look at my video here on the tips and tricks I give you for Disney. There are some states that are actually now getting 30% off outside of Florida. So you might want to check that. Now that they're at 35%. I just read the other day that they actually bumped it up from 25% capacity to 35%. So it's still pretty low in comparison to what it normally is. So for just $123 a night, it was actually cheaper to stay here than some of those other hotels right along Buena Vista Hotel Boulevard, which is across from Disney. I'd rather stay at a themed hotel if I can get it for the same price or less than the ones on that road. So I will check back in with you tomorrow morning when we can see the place in the daylight. This building was a little tricky to find. It's between 8 and 9 on a little path. So just so you know, if you get building 7, it's back a little ways. And I had to walk around by the lake. It's very pretty out there though. Okay, I'm back in the room after a very long day. I'm looking forward to having a snack and actually my dinner, and then basically going to bed because I'm so exhausted. I did show you the cafeteria where you cannot actually go in and get your food. You have to order it through the app and then pick up your order. That is the way they're doing it. Most places I've been staying at during COVID are doing it, and Disney is no exception. That's it for my stay here at the Art of Animation. It was nice. I think I might like Pop Century better though. I don't know. The rooms are very similar, but I just felt I had more room in Pop Century. And that pull down Murphy bed in the Pop Century is pretty cool. But for the price, you couldn't beat it. Well, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I have too much stuff on my hands right now to point. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure, heading to Animal Kingdom today. All right, see you guys. Bye.